technologies or the emerging technologies are becoming a game changer. If you look at and integrating these technologies into the traditional warehouse is going to be transformational. And if you look at automation, like we can see how these days in the warehouses they are using the robots for picking, for sorting, where most of the time is engaged on that. The advantage in doing this, in implementing either robots in the warehouse operations, is it's streamlining the entire process in terms of reducing the human error element. And I can give you an example with reference to UAE itself, with DP World, where they had started smart warehouses in Dubai. And they have implemented automation and IoT sensors, reducing the labor cost significantly and the human error element. And the most important thing, I think most of the fellow panelists also would agree upon, is the throughput, the kind of large numbers and the volumes which we can handle with automation is something which is significant. And another tech trend these days is the use of AI and machine learning for predictive analysis. And how it helps. It helps warehouses in forecasting your demand, and forecasting your demand with more accuracy. It can remove and it can eliminate the bias element and manage your inventory in real time. And you can do various kind of scenario analysis based on which, if, for instance, if you take in Walmart, they use AI to predict stock levels, ensuring that shelves are always stocked with, so that you don't over purchase and land with various promotional schemes to liquidate the stock and so on and so forth. And if you take again UAE as an example, Aramex in Abu Dhabi, they have implemented RFID and real-time tracking system for their, and it has transformed their entire inventory management, which has allowed to track the inventory with pinpoint accuracy. And it's helping them to reduce their cost significantly and to improve on the stock accuracy and reduce the stock discrepancies. I think these technologies are just futuristic concepts, and they are helping warehouses to be more agile, efficient, and cost effective. And the future of warehousing is all about blending this innovation seamlessly with your existing operations to make you smarter, competitive, and more responsive supply chain.